I've literally not been recording this entire time because I'm stupid. I cannot believe I didn't think about this about recording until now. I'm buying a new bike today. I don't have my gloves with me because I left my gloves. Chelsea's, by the way, that's dope. I left my gloves at the dealership. I was in a hurry. The bank closed at 5. It's now 5. Turn signal blocking it. 5:10. So I got the money. Now going back to the dealership, it's a mess, dude. It's a disaster. I was originally gonna trade this bike in to get this one, but I'm not doing that anymore. So I'm just paying cash for this bike, and yeah, it's a weird feeling. I've really wanted this bike for a really long time, and you guys are gonna see what it is. Oh man, I've been so excited for this bike for so long. I've been obsessing over this bike ever since it came out. I think 2019. I started riding in 2020, so I've wanted one of these for a very long time. This is so cool. We get to ride in this. Oh, I can't say it yet. Cannot say it yet. It's got to be a surprise. I've always wanted to do like one of these surprise videos, and I couldn't do it with this bike because I was so desperate for a motorcycle at the time that I couldn't record me actually getting it and how exciting that was. This one I have time. I just am being stupid and getting too excited, so I'm not recording it. And I'm not going to be doing this for a while because now I have 3 fucking liter bikes. God damn it! I keep giving away hints. I'm gonna have 3 liter bikes. I have no use for 3 liter bikes. I'm gonna keep those bikes for a while until the new R1 comes out, and then I'm gonna buy that because I have to buy that. Of course I do. And I have an assignment due. I have 2 labs due tomorrow, and Wednesday I have more homework due. I got an extension for it because I'm stupid and I don't have time to do everything. I'm losing my mind. I don't even know the packages that are on this bike, dude. I literally don't. I bought this bike. I have no idea what's on it. It looks sick. It comes with a bunch of options. I didn't look at the options yet. I don't know what's on it. It's probably gonna have a temp tag that I'm gonna take off immediately. I know it's got adaptive dampers. It's got great brakes. It has a sports exhaust. It's got the Riders Pro. It's got the heated grips. You know what it is. It's an S1000, dude. I bought a 2023 S1000RR. And it's really expensive. It turns out these bikes are really expensive. But I'm gonna bring up my camera a little bit closer.
You can take away things you don't want to see.
Cool.
Up in the top right is your electronic ride modes. These are now fully customable with the 23, whereas the previous gens you'd have rain, road, race, or dynamic and race, and customize that through having whatever for it anytime you want to call upon. Down on your menu is select, or to go down. Up is always closed. Okay, so down into my vehicle. You have system check okay. You have engine temp, front and rear tire pressure monitoring.
Signed all the paperwork. I'm unfortunately gonna have to take the camera off the bike because I don't have a mount for it yet, but I'm gonna go work on that. So, bye. Legal as fuck. You know how I just got pulled over for no plate?
Yeah, exactly.
They can see that thing from the moon, baby. It's literally, it's just like this, but lower gearing, a little bit more torque. It might just be a little bit more
It's
torque.
more refined.
No, I wouldn't even say that because that's very refined. I would just say
Well,
it's like
yeah, but as far as like
you sit more in the bike while you.
this is way more comfortable. You
Yeah.
got cruise control, heated grips.
Yeah.
Your phone connects. You got GPS through your fucking
USB in the
screen. USB in the bag. That's sick.
Like straight up, like it literally anything you can think of, it has it. Which is sick.
Dude, congrats, man.
It's got the electronic dampers. It doesn't have full electronic.
You know, I think this stock exhaust actually sounds kind of crazy.
It doesn't.
I seen a video. I don't know. They might have took the cat off.
You ain't gonna hear shit, bro.
They might have took the cat off.
Bro, I stalled it coming out. It's like an electric bike, bro. When I pulled out of the dealership, I couldn't
you can't
even
hear
hear
it?
it. I literally, with my earplugs, I could not fucking hear
Is
it.
the clutch really stiff?
Can you give me something?
Yeah, what do you want?
I don't know. Can you just tell me what they got in there when you get in there?
It's gas station. They got everything.
Where's yeast at?
Getting gas over here.
Can you give me? Do you want to share Dr. Pepper?
I don't want to share one, but you can get one.
Well, I'm not gonna finish it, and then it's just gonna go to waste, so we can share it. Cause I'm gonna have like 4 cents, and then it's be
Oh,
done.
Evan, come here.
What would they do?
It's got like a little thing so no gas splashes out when you're putting it in. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's perfectly made for you.
It's like my favorite thing in the world.
Hannah, do you wanna?
You know what? I guess you can keep it. I guess it's worth it.
Hannah.
What?
Oh, you were gonna let me keep it?
Yeah, you can keep it now.
Actually, you're not allowed to ride that anymore.
Come on.
That's alright. I'll switch with you.
Come on.
You can walk home.
Come on, man. I didn't mean it.
Dude, you have your bike here.
Crap.
Oh shit, you're right. Yeah,
Crap.
If anything, it's Ryan's problem.
Good.
Yeah,
If anything, it's my problem because I have to figure out a way to get it home.
Alright.
Don't put too much pressure on that because it's only held in by two tiny bolts.
No,
Ooh.
I
He was trying to get the. How about I fuck the bike and then he fucked me?
Whoa!
You about not, you about not have a dick no more.
My dick be gone. Dick be gone.
Maybe not. Did you hear her, bro? She goes, "That's on you." Motherfucker, it's 40 cents.
Let me get a photo. Let me get a photo real quick.
Yeah.
This is fire.
What? Why can I?
Holy shit! It's fucking windy.
It's fucking windy. Hold on to everything. Oh my god. Dude, my front wheel was getting blown all the way coming down this street right here.
Motherfucker, I'm riding sideways.
I know, I'm like right sideways here, man. Goddamn, the sand's gonna blow away, man. Hold on.
Holy shit, bro! It's fucking windy out here. There's things fucking flying around in the fucking air.
I know. Damn, there's a fucking tornado coming. Goddamn.
we picked the worst time to ride.
God, hold it! Here it comes! Oh, there goes the sign. Oh no! Gotta blow away. Oh shit!
Earplug coming out of my face, bro. Fuck me, it's windy out here.
Dude, I feel like I'm gonna fly away with the bike.
It was not like I was just out here like an hour ago. It was completely fine.
Man, the lake is cooling off, man.
It got warmer out here though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, a little bit.
It was way colder earlier. I was like freezing. I was wearing less than I am now. No, I was wearing more than I am now. I grabbed my mesh jacket actually.
All right, but I mean, it wasn't windy going like.
I'm all right. Your bike is like flying away.
Oh fuck! There it goes. They stole it. The wind just took it. I don't know what to do now. Yo, R1 got wings, dude. That's
Yeah, but I'm about to say my bike's about to take flight, dude. It's just,
I'm about to say, dude, the fucking wings of that bike's probably like this.
if I could actually do the speed limit, I'd be fucking.
Yeah.
I'm glad I took this bike though. It handles the wind so much better.
No, this bike, I'm like,
No front wheels like.
Front wheels like, the wind.
Why is your mirror like wet?
That's from this water coming off the lake.
Oh, let's go then.
How was it?
Boring as fuck.
Why?
Because we can't break any speed limits.
Why?
Because we're breaking into the bikes. Both of us.
Oh, you just got a new one too?
Saturday.
What were you riding before?
That orange R6. The one that blew up.
This is sick.
That fire explosion.
This is a good upgrade.
Oh yeah.
If I'm like with the cops now, I'm like, show up. Do it.
It's fucking there.
I got it now. I'm set. Oh, it's okay. Dude, I'm waiting for the cops now. I'm like, let's go. Let's go. I'm so fucking legal right now.
You really can make some money now on TikTok, huh?
What?
Like, you could just straight up make money on TikTok.
Yeah, as long as the video is over a minute long.